A small workshop can feel limiting. Crowded benches, tools stacked on top of tools, no space to move, no space to think. But a small shop doesn't have to feel chaotic. In fact, some of the most efficient workshops in the world are very small. The difference is not size, it's storage. When tools are stored intelligently, even a tight space can feel organized, calm, and productive. This video explores 40 smart ways to store tools in a small shop. Not complicated systems, not expensive solutions, just practical ideas that help you use the space you already have. The goal is simple: less clutter, more efficiency, and a workspace that works with you instead of against you. The first mindset shift is this: storage is not about hiding tools. It's about making tools easy to access. If a tool is hard to reach, you won't use it. If it's hard to put away, clutter will return. Good storage makes the right action the easiest action. One of the smartest storage ideas in a small shop is using vertical space. Walls are often underused. When tools move off the floor and bench, the entire shop feels bigger. Wall-mounted storage keeps tools visible and reachable. When you can see what you own, you stop buying duplicates. You work faster. You think more clearly. Another powerful idea is grouping tools by function. Instead of storing tools by size or shape, store them by how they're used. Cutting tools together, measuring tools together, assembly tools together. This reduces movement and saves time. Modularity is another key principle. Storage that can change over time is far more valuable than fixed storage. Modular shelves, hooks, and holders allow you to adapt as your tool collection grows. A small shop evolves constantly. Your storage should too. Mobile storage is also a game changer. Carts, rolling cabinets, and portable racks allow tools to come to you. Instead of walking back and forth, you stay focused where you're working. In a small shop, every surface matters. The backs of doors, the sides of cabinets, even the underside of shelves. These areas can hold light tools, clamps, or accessories without taking up valuable space. Clear storage is another smart approach. When you can see what's inside a container, you waste less time searching. Transparent bins, open trays, and labeled containers help maintain order naturally. Labels may seem unnecessary at first, but they create habits. They guide tools back to where they belong. Consistency is more important than perfection. Another overlooked idea is storing tools near where they're used. This reduces friction, it saves time, and it keeps work flowing. Measuring tools near the bench, fasteners near assembly areas, finishing supplies near finishing space. Small changes like this make a big difference. Layered storage is especially useful in tight spaces. Shallow shelves in front of deeper storage allow you to store more without losing access. This approach keeps frequently used tools within reach and rarely used tools out of the way. Drawer storage is powerful when done correctly. Shallow drawers prevent stacking. Dividers keep tools from shifting. Opening a drawer and seeing everything at once reduces frustration and speeds up work. Another smart strategy is shadow-style organization. When each tool has a defined place, you immediately know what's missing. This encourages tools to be returned and keeps the shop visually clean. Ceiling storage can also be useful for lightweight or rarely used items. Long materials, seasonal tools, or extra supplies can live overhead without interfering with daily work. Magnetic storage works well for small metal tools. It keeps items visible and accessible without taking up shelf space. Hooks and rails offer incredible flexibility. They can be rearranged in seconds as your needs change. This makes them perfect for small shops. One important principle is reducing duplicates. Clutter often comes from owning multiple tools that serve the same purpose. When tools are organized and visible, it becomes easier to simplify. Another genius idea is using containers inside containers. Small boxes within drawers, trays inside cabinets. This keeps small items controlled. without creating chaos. Fold-away storage is also powerful. Drop-down shelves, swing-out racks, collapsible surfaces. These give you space when you need it and disappear when you don't. Bench storage is another opportunity. The space under a workbench is often underused. Drawers, shelves, or rolling bins under the bench add storage without adding footprint. Corner spaces deserve attention too. Corners are often wasted, but can hold vertical racks or narrow shelves. Even narrow spaces can store a surprising amount. When used thoughtfully, one of the most important storage ideas is leaving some empty space. Not every area needs to be filled. Empty space allows flexibility. It allows growth. It allows breathing room. Overcrowded storage systems fail quickly. Maintenance is part of storage design. A system that requires constant effort will not last. Good storage makes cleanup fast and easy. 5 minutes at the end of session should restore order. That's the real test. A small shop should feel supportive, not stressful, not cluttered. When tools are stored intelligently, the shop becomes a place of focus and creativity. Size stops being the problem. Flow becomes the solution. If your shop feels too small, it's not a failure. It's an invitation to design smarter. With the right storage ideas, any workshop can become efficient, calm, and enjoyable. If you found these ideas helpful, subscribe for more practical shop tips, smart DIY strategies, and woodworking guidance designed for real spaces and real makers. Your shop doesn't need to be bigger. It just needs to be better organized.